Shush, shush, shush. Go away, text. We are talking in this video. Hi, I'm Errai and this is my second attempt at shooting this video. And it's going to be the most awkward video you are going to see today. So, let's begin. Well, I guess the title of this video has spoiled a surprise for you, but let me announce it anyway. So, for the past few months I have been working on instructions for some of my old MOCs. It took forever, but now they are finally ready, so let's see what you can buy. Woo! So, just like you have seen in this cool animation, you can buy instructions for almost all of my old MOCs. Unfortunately, you cannot buy instructions for my big Unimog, mainly because back then I had no idea about making instructions, so I took it apart and now it's gone. But you can see the video there. Also, you cannot buy instructions for my Ford F100. I wanted to make a speed build, I recorded it, I was editing it, and one day I come to my PC and it's all gone. Like, poof, gone, bye bye. So, it's gone. And oh, you can see the video there. And also you cannot buy instructions for my tiny pallet jack, because it's like same case with Unimog. I had no idea about making instructions, but I'm going to make another version of this one, so stay tuned. Oh, and the video is also there. What about my future MOCs? Well, from now on I'm going to create instructions for every single new MOC. Whenever you see a new video pop up in your subscription box, a new video from me, you can be sure that you'll be able to buy instructions for this particular MOC. So, pretty cool, isn't it? My instructions are meant to be consumed on a screen, so a phone, tablet, laptop, PC will work just fine. They are in a nice high quality, high resolution PDF format, so you can zoom in all you want. You can see all those tiny details, which part goes where, and I think it's great. Also, which is even more important, the background of those instructions is dark, so you won't burn out your eyes staring at this screen for ages, because let's be honest, we are building a MOC for several hours, so I think that's great. And I thought about your eyes, you won't go blind, thanks to me. Surprise, surprise, I have another announcement for you, yay! So, just like with my instructions, you will be able to purchase my MOCs. Yep, all of the pieces required for a single MOC will be delivered to your doorstep in a nice, neatly packaged box, and all thanks to MOCHub. Also, the instructions will be given to you for free, obviously, and I think it's quite a nice deal, so go ahead and buy them. But where can you find my instructions and my MOCs? Well, the instructions can be found at my rebrickable.com profile, which is linked in the description of this video, and my MOCs can be found in MOCHub, which is also linked in the description of this video. And I think I'll put all those links in a pinned comment, so you'll be able to find everything very easily. I think that's all I had to say for this video. I hope you enjoyed this one, and it wasn't the most awkward thing you've seen today. It probably was, but I try to be less awkward in front of the camera in the next video. And I hope you enjoyed this one. So, stay tuned for the next video, and I have no idea how to end a video. Bye! Hi, it's Errai from the future. I just realized I was talking really fast in this video, and apologies for that. I tried to be a little bit slower in the next one. So, Thanks for watching and bye. Surprise! With my kitty. Yeah, I have to pump the views somehow. But check this one out. Real good kitty. Alright, go away. Oh. Bye for the first time. Bye. Well, the instructions can be found in my replicable and they are in a nice high quality, high PDF, because they are, yeah, like this high. All the pieces neatly packaged in a single box delivered to your door. Whenever you see a new video pop up in here in your subscription box, see all those tiny details, tiny pieces, pinholes, see where every accent goes. Oh, this wasn't a good gesture. Blooper! Right now I have more bloopers than the actual footage. Like I have 150 gigabytes of bloopers.